In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Maps Street View. So if you want to explore on Google Map using the Street View, this is how you can go about it. I'll first show you how to do this on PC, then I'll show you how to do this on mobile. On PC, you want to open your web browser and search for Google Maps. To open the first option, which is the Google Map, or you can click on the Chrome menu at the top right corner of your screen, and here you will see Maps. Click on this, and this will open Google Maps. Once map is open, you want to find the location you want to explore. You can come to the search section, enter the name of the location, and then open the location. This will take you to that place. Once the location is open and fully loaded, you can zoom in by clicking on the plus icon to zoom in into your map, and then move around to find the location you want to explore. At the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll find a figurine with the Browse Street image. Now click and hold down on this, and then drag it onto your map. Under this, you'll find the image key. You have the street view, which is the blue line, photo path, which is in dots, and then photosphere, which is cycle. Now move this to any area with the blue line, photo path, or photosphere. And under this, you get a preview of the area. Drop the figure in this position, and this will open street view on your computer. Now allow this to fully load. At the bottom left corner of your screen, you'll find your preview. You can use this to move around and know exactly where you are on the map. On your street image, you can click and drag to adjust your viewpoints. You also find when you hover over a road network, you find an arrow that is pointing forward. When you click, this will move you forward in your street view. You'll be able to zoom when you hit on the plus, and then zoom out when you hit on the minus. You can also rotate your views when you hit on the arrow on your compass, and if you want to return to your true north, you can click on the middle of your compass, and this will return you to your north position. You can also rotate the other way when you hit on the arrow pointing the opposite direction. So that's how to use the street view on computer. Now on your mobile, you want to download Google Maps. Once Google Maps is downloaded, go ahead and open the Google Maps app. Once the location is open and you are zoomed in into your location area, on the area you want to view, you want to tap on that area, and the location pin will be dropped in that area. Now if Street View is available for that area, you will see the Street View logo and a preview under. Also, if the image also supports Street View, you will see the Street View logo on it. Click on the image, and this will load the Google Maps Street View. You can expand when you hit on this, and this will take you to your full screen. Now you can move around on your maps and also move forward and backward in views. So thank you for watching this video on how to use Google Maps Street View, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do make sure to like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.